Stop hearing me. Stop hearing me. Stop hearing me. What you? I didn't see that.
So what are you watching? What are you watching, Storm?
I'm watching all these boats.
All the boats? What kind of boat? What kind of boat is that?
The big boat was over there.
Big boat. And what's this one?
It's the big boat in the boat.
But what's this boat called?
Banca boat.
Banca boats, yeah. And then that's the big sailboat. No, I don't think it's gonna move. I think it's just parked out there to watch the sunset, like the other boats. See all the boats out there?
What's that?
They're all just stopped up there. They got their anchor out so they can watch the sunset.
Yeah. Is that what they're doing too? Is that where they're gonna move? Everybody on the big one?
Right now. You gonna ride a big boat?
Yeah.
I ride a big boat over here.
That one?
We're gonna take a carousel one day, and then we'll take a like an island hopping boat.
That's hop.
We'll take a boat to watch sunset.
That's island hopping over there.
Yeah.
Where does that say? What's the small one? Boat is, Daddy. What's the small one? What's the small
Slide over
one?
this way a little bit, so we can see if we can get the whole sun. There we go. Right here. There we go. All right, it's getting ready to touch the water. When it touches the water, it'll be like 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and then it'll be gone.
Is it done to go in the water?
Yeah, see it going? Look at the sun. It touched the water.
Look, that boat.
Look, it touched the water. It's gonna go. Watch it sink. Watch the sun sink into the water. It'll take like 2 minutes, and then it'll be gone. You won't be able to see the sun anymore. See? It's going. See it going down?
Is it gonna touch your feet in water?
Yeah. It's touch your feet in the water, yeah. See it? It's almost, pretty soon it's going to be halfway.
Is it gonna go here? Is it gonna go here? What the small one is?
You touch.
What the small one is, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
The small one beside the big one. The small one. What the small one means? What the small one?
Watch it. See? See the sun? It's going down. Pretty soon it's going to be gone. Look. Can you still see it? Tell Daddy when you can't see it anymore. Still see it?
Yes.
Okay, keep looking. Keep watching. Keep watching. Can you still see it?
Yes.
Okay. Look. Keep watching. It's going down. Watch when that boat goes by. I bet it'll be almost gone. Look. You still see it? A little bit. Keep looking.
What's the other one?
Look. Do you still see the sun now?
Yeah.
Oh, good. What about now? Is it gone? It's gone, yeah.
Is that the trip?
Yeah, it went all the way under. There you go, guys.
I didn't see the sun anymore.
No, it went under the water. It come back tomorrow. 12 hours from now, you can see it come up on the other side of the island. We can get up early to see it, which we haven't done that yet. We're gonna get up early for a sunrise.
What's on the small one? On the small
but
one.
we haven't yet.
What's on the small one? The small one. The small boat.
The small boat, yes.
Beside the big.